Compact tractors for small farms in 2026. That can make you serious money. What if I told you that the right compact tractor could be the key to building your next six-figure business? Right from your backyard? Yeah, I'm not joking. While everyone's chasing online side hustles and crypto charts, some folks are out here turning horsepower into hard cash. In 2026, compact tractors aren't just farm tools anymore. They're profit machines. From small farms and micro agribusinesses to landscaping empires and even rural Airbnb ventures, the people who know how to use these compact beasts are quietly cashing in big time. So buckle up, because today we're breaking down the top 5 compact tractors for small farms in 2026, but not just which ones are the best. We're diving into how each one can turn into a money-making machine, the kind of profits you can pull in, and the hidden business opportunities nobody's talking about. Let's dig in, literally. The Kubota BX23S, the Swiss Army knife of compact power. This little orange legend has been running circles around competitors for years, and the 2026 edition just raised the bar. The Kubota BX23S is compact enough to maneuver through tight spaces, yet strong enough to dig trenches, haul dirt, or even manage a small construction project. But here's where things get interesting. This tractor isn't just for hobby farms anymore. People are using it for side hustles that print money. Profit potential number 1, micro excavation services. Think about small trenching, fence post holes, driveway prep, stuff too small for big contractors but too hard for homeowners. You can charge $100, $150 per hour, and your expenses are next to nothing once you own the tractor. A single weekend could pull you $1,000 plus. Profit potential number 2, backyard pond and landscape builds. There's a growing trend in luxury homesteads, backyard ponds, garden terraces, and mini farm landscaping. These jobs average $5,000, $10,000 per project. If you handle just 2 per month, that's a 6-figure side gig with one compact tractor. The 2026 BX23S even has a faster hydraulic response system and a redesigned seat for longer hours. More comfort, yours, more productivity, yours, more profit. You can literally turn dirt into dollars with this one. 2. John Deere 2026R, the green gold standard. When you think farming, you think John Deere. But the 2026R isn't just a tractor, it's a brand statement. This model blends digital tech, smart sensors, and AI-assisted load balancing. Translation? It works smarter, not harder, just like any good entrepreneur should. Profit potential number 1, smart farming and soil data services. This model has built-in data sensors that analyze soil health and productivity. That means you can offer smart soil reports for local farms, gardeners, and vineyards. Charge $200, $400 per analysis. 10 clients a week? That's $8,000, $16,000 a month from data. No extra employees, no inventory. Just tractor-powered intelligence. Profit potential number 2, subscription lawn management. Here's where it gets juicy. Offer local landowners monthly eco-care subscriptions, precision mowing, compost spreading, and soil analysis. Clients pay $250, $500 per month, and you can easily scale up to 30-plus clients. That's $7,500, $15,000 monthly recurring income. People pay for automation, and the 2026R practically runs itself. Your tractor becomes your employee and your cash flow generator. 3. Mahindra E-Max 25 HST, the electric underdog with massive ROI. Now we're talking innovation. The Mahindra E-Max 25 HST 2026 model is fully electric, eco-friendly, and built for low maintenance. Mahindra is quietly positioning this as the Tesla of compact tractors. And get this, electric tractors are exploding in the eco-farming and sustainability business scene. Investors, homesteaders, and green entrepreneurs are pouring cash into electric equipment to brand their operations as eco-conscious. Profit potential number 1, green contracting services offer eco-landscaping for urban clients who want sustainable image branding. You can charge a 20–30% premium for electric-only services. That's roughly $150–250 per hour, and big-name companies love showing off that they use clean energy vendors. Profit potential number 2, battery leasing or charging stations. Mahindra's battery system is modular. That means you can lease or sell battery swap services to other small tractor owners. A simple rural charging hub could generate $500 to $1,000 per week, and all you're doing is monetizing downtime. Add a solar array, now you're printing green in more ways than one. In short, the Emax 25 isn't just sustainable, it's scalable. 4. Massey Ferguson GC Westvending 25M, the Homestead Hustler. This one's built for those of you who love side hustles with soul. The Massey Ferguson GC 1725M combines comfort, power, and versatility, all in a size that fits inside your garage. Perfect for entrepreneurs who want to start small but think big. Profit potential number 1, microgreen and market garden integration. Pair this tractor with high-intensity gardening, like microgreens or specialty crops. It can till, haul, and prep your beds faster than any manual system. Even a half-acre market garden can bring in $50,000–$75,000 per year. Profit potential number 2, rural Airbnb experience offer. Farm stays or homestead experiences on your property. People pay $150–300 per night to experience farm life, and you can include a tractor driving or hayride experience using the GC 1725M. That's passive income with a side of charm. Here's the fun part. This tractor's front-end loader can be converted into a mini utility cart for guests or even an attraction. Think rustic meets revenue. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. We've got everything from passive income blueprints to farm-to-fortune systems that show you exactly how to turn simple tools into full-blown income streams. 5. Yanmar SA325, the profit-packed precision machine. This tractor is the unsung hero of 2026. The Yanmar SA325 looks humble, but it's built like a tank and tuned for efficiency. Its compact size hides an incredibly powerful Yanmar diesel engine that's fuel-efficient, low maintenance, and ready to work all day. But here's where the money flows in. This tractor is perfect for service-based rural businesses. Profit potential number 1, driveway and private road maintenance. In rural areas, there's constant demand for road grading, snow removal, and gravel maintenance. Most contractors won't touch smaller jobs, but you can. At $100–200 per hour, even a few hours per week can turn into $2,000–$5,000 a month. Profit potential number 2, mini farm creation packages. This is a creative one. Market mini farm starter packages to suburban families moving rural. You come in with your SA325 and help them till, set fencing, dig garden beds, and prep land. Charge $2,500–$5,000 per setup, and you can book out your weekends fast. People love the idea of being more self-sufficient. They just need someone with the right machine to make it happen. That's where you come in. Bonus insight: how to turn any compact tractor into a full-time income. If you're serious about making your tractor pay for itself, here's the formula that most people miss. Leverage it for services. Don't just use it. Rent yourself out. Sell tractor time by the hour or project. Stack income streams. Offer complimentary services, brush clearing, hauling, snow removal, soil testing. Brand it professionally. Wrap your tractor trailer and use local SEO to dominate rural searches like tractor service near me. Upsell the experience, teach others, film your work, and create content. Yes, you can make YouTube money from using your tractor too. Reinvest. Once profits roll in, expand into attachments. Each new implement, a new service, a new income stream. Entrepreneurial edge: why 2026 is the year to go compact. The demand for small-scale agricultural services is exploding. Between the rise of homesteading, sustainable farming, and eco-friendly landscaping, compact tractors are becoming the new trucks of rural business. But here's the kicker: Only a handful of people are using them as business tools instead of farm tools. That's your advantage. You're not just buying equipment, you're buying cash flow. Every hour you're on that seat can pay dividends, not just in money, but in freedom, independence, and the pride of building something real. Advanced hustle ideas for the big thinkers. Rural YouTube channel. Film your tractor services, builds, and tips. Monetize through ads, sponsors, and affiliate links. Potential: $2,000, $10,000 a month once your channel grows. Digital course creation. How to start a tractor service business. Teach others how to do what you do. Potential: $20,000 plus passive annually. Rental model. Rent out your tractor when you're not using it. Potential: $500, $2,500 per week. The opportunities are endless if you think like an entrepreneur, not just an operator. If you've ever dreamed about building a business that's real, tangible, and actually helps your community, this is it. Compact tractors are the bridge between old-school work ethic and modern money-making strategies. The key isn't the machine, it's the mindset. You're not buying horsepower, you're buying opportunity power. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.